Hi everyone, we are going to be unboxing of what I got from Ulta. I removed the bubble wrap, the big one. So let's take all this stuff out. I got the coconut hydrating mask. I needed an eyeliner. You can use this as a lip liner. I just wanted to try this one out since I have this brand of waterproof eyeliner. Then I got this makeup brush remover cleanser. Then I got this longwear eye primer. I want to try it out. Ulta Beauty collection. And then I tried this for my sister. I think it's the same one, and I liked it. So we'll see. And the last that I ordered was this. It gives a nice glow, so the face is not dry from all the foundation. So this is a nice touch-up. So that's what I ordered, and as gift, because I ordered it online, they sent me this gift that I will unpackage, and this gift as well. So we'll open that up too. So it actually came with this nice tote bag and some perfumes and a mascara and blush. Just to show you what it looks like after I opened it. It's a decent amount. That is so cute. I haven't smelled it yet. I just smelled it. It smells okay. More, I think, for older people, I would think. But it's not sweet. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And then this cute. And it has a mirror. That. And then we have this mini mascara. Onto this bag. It's cute. And let's see what we have inside. The bag overall is cute, and if you hear my kids in the background, I'm sure they would love this bag. I think it's just a little bit too tight in this area. It's not very comfortable, but it's a good free bag. Why not? So let's open this up. So this is what I laid out. So this is a Ulta face primer. This is Inner Glow eye primer. And then we got some eyeshadows. Those are pretty nice colors. And then they gave me this brush. And they gave me lifting mascara. We'll see how that goes. This. And then Ulta, obviously, lip cream. And lip gloss. Alright. That's what I have from my Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Until next time.